Hello students, welcome to another class of inverse circular functions. In this class, I will discuss with you how to solve different type of problem of inverse circular functions. So, there are some useful and typical problems also. In this class, I will try to solve these type of problems. Suppose this problem number 1. Prove that tan pi by 4 half cos inverse a by b. Tan pi by 4 minus half cos inverse a by b equals to 2b by a. Oh, this is very useful problem. It is very familiar problem also and simple problem. Look, so to solve this, consider left hand side. This one is left hand side. Now, if you consider this as A, tan A plus tan B, no need of idea of inverse circular functions at the beginning. Tan A plus B. So what is your formula? Tan pi by 4 plus A plus tan pi by 4 minus A. So what is A here? A equals to half cos inverse A by B. Half cos inverse A by B. Now simplify it. Tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B. Tan pi by 4. This is 1. 1 plus tan A. 1 minus tan A. Omitting one step. Tan pi by 4, 1. This. Similarly, this one is 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A. So, very simple formula of class 11. Now take LCM. 1 minus tan square A. This is 1 plus tan A whole square minus 1 minus tan A. This is plus. So A square plus B square. So what is the formula? 2 into 1 plus tan square A, 1 minus tan square A. Now look, what is formula of cos 2A? Cos 2A equals to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So this is, if we take 2 outside, this is reciprocal of cos 2A. So it is 1 by cos 2A. Now look, A equals to half cos inverse A. What is A? A equals to, now A equals to half cos inverse A by B. So what is 2A? Equals to cos inverse A by B. So cos 2A equals to A by B. Cos 2A equals to A by B. So put value of cos 2A. So what you are getting? 2 into 1 by A by B equals to 2b by a equals to RHS. So look, tan a plus b, this is a tan pi by 4 plus a, tan pi by 4 minus a, simplifying you get result. So what is the shortcut rule? You have to remember this result for competitive exam. So look, application. What is the application of it? So value of tan pi by 4 plus half cos inverse 2 by 3 plus tan pi by 4 minus half cos inverse 2 by 3 equals 3 4 by 3 2 by 3 d none. So by the previous problem, so what is the value? Value is, you know, 2 into b by a. So 2 into, so what is a by b? A by b is 2 by 3. So 2 into 3 by 2. So final result is 3. Next problem. Number 2. If tan inverse root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 plus x 1 minus x square by equals to alpha, then sin 2 alpha equals to x square. Sin 2 alpha equals to x square. So I have already discussed about the solution of this type of problem. Simplification of inverse circular functions. Now look, here this is 1 plus x square and 1 minus x square. So what is the suitable transformation? So suitable transformation is x square equals to cos 2 theta or sin, as you please. If you take cos 2 theta, it will be simple because you know formula of 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. So put the value. This implies tan inverse 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta or 2 theta. We have taken this as 2 theta. So 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root over 1 minus cos 2 theta equals to alpha. Now this implies 1 plus cos 2 theta. So 2 cos square theta. So root 2 into mod cos theta root 2 into mod sine theta, because 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta, so root over, so root 2 into mod cos theta, root 2 into mod sine theta equals to alpha. Now here a restriction on x is not given, so we take, in this case we take the positive one. So finally what you are getting, tan inverse root 2 cancel, cos theta minus sine theta by cos theta plus sine theta equals to alpha. Now express this argument in terms of tan. So tan inverse, this is 1 minus tan theta dividing throughout by cos theta. So 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta equals to alpha. Now this one is formula of tan inverse, then this is formula of tan pi by 4 minus theta. Omitting one step, 1 equals to tan pi by 4 minus tan theta. So finally look, tan inverse tan x is x if x belongs to principal value. Here no restriction is given, that is why we have taken this as pi by 4 minus theta. So now look at the answer. In answer, angle is in terms of 2 alpha. So multiply it by 2, pi by 2 minus 2 theta equals to 2 alpha. Take sine on both sides, sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta, so sine 2 alpha. So cos 2 theta equals to sine 2 alpha. So what you are getting, 2 theta equals to what? X square. X square equals to sine 2 alpha. Proved. So simplification of inverse circular functions. Next write. Prove that tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x minus tan inverse 1 minus y by 1 plus y equals to sine inverse y minus x by root under 1 plus x square 1 plus y square. In the previous class, I have also solved a problem of this type. Only left hand side was in terms of cos inverse x and cos inverse y. Now look, consider left hand side. So if you right hand side is in terms of sine, so if we convert sine in terms of tan in terms of sine, then formula of sine inverse x minus sine inverse y, this will be difficult. So that is why we try to simplify it into simple form. Try to recall. So what is formula of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So formula is like this one, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So this one is in compact form. You can write it into two parts. So using this formula, you can write LHS as tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. Similarly, for the second one, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse y. Look, this is our main m. Tan inverse cancel. So tan inverse y minus tan inverse x. Now use formula. So y minus x 1 plus xy. This is in terms of tan inverse. Now final result is in terms of sine inverse. You know how to convert inverse circular function into other. So if we consider this as theta, so this is perpendicular and this is base. So what is the hypotenuse? 1 minus x whole square 1 plus xy whole square. So final result. So this is sine inverse y minus x by hypotenuse. Y minus x whole square 1 plus xy whole square. So what you are getting? Sine inverse. Simplify it, and if you factorize, you get like that. This is our right hand side. So tan inverse x minus y in terms of tan inverse, convert it in terms of sine inverse. Next one. Problem number 4. So write a problem. Sine pi cos theta equals to cos pi sin theta if then theta equals to plus minus half sine inverse 3/4. Half sine inverse 3/4. Now actually it is problem of general solution of trigonometric equations. So look, this is our given condition. Sin pi cos theta equals to cos pi sin theta. So look, you know, if cos theta equals to sin theta, sin 3 theta suppose, then what is our main aim? You express it in terms of cos pi/2 minus 3 theta. in secondary classes, you know. So equating cos from both sides, you get theta. So we use this principle. Right, this is sin pi cos theta as it is. It will be in terms of sine. So pi by 2 plus pi sin theta. This is cos theta, because in second quadrant sine is positive. If you take this one as minus, then it is also this. Look, sin 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta. So equating sine on both sides, therefore pi cos theta equals to pi by 2 plus minus pi sin theta. So pi will be cancelled out. So cos theta minus plus sin theta equals to half. Look, cos theta, pi cancel. This is plus minus. If you consider to left hand side, this is minus plus. Now you know cos theta plus sin theta whole square. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, or if it is minus, then 1 minus. So squaring both sides, squaring. So cos square theta plus sin square theta plus minus 2 sin theta cos theta equals to 1 by 4. So 1 plus minus sin 2 theta equals to 1 by 4. So 2 theta sin 2 theta equals to minus 3 by 4, beginning a plus minus. So what we are getting? Plus minus 3 by 4. Plus minus 3 by 4. Or you can write it at minus plus, plus a minus plus, or plus minus. So what is 2 theta? Here we have to use 2 theta sin inverse plus minus 3 by 4. So theta equals to half. Theta equals to half sin inverse plus minus 3 by 4. Or you can take, this plus minus at the beginning, half sin inverse 3 by 4. Half sin inverse 3 by 4. This is our desired result. Now we consider a different type of problem. So look, this is also a typical type of problem. Problem number 5. Prove that summation tan inverse 1 by 1 plus r square, r equals to 1 to n, equals to tan inverse n plus 1 minus pi by 4. Hence deduce r equals to 1 to infinity tan inverse 1 by 1 plus r square equals to pi by 4. Equals to pi by 4. B, 100% same problem. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 2 into 1 square, tan inverse 1 by 2 into 2 square, tan inverse 1 by 2 into 3 square dot dot infinity equals to pi by 4. C, prove that n equals to 1 to infinity cot inverse 2n square equals to pi by 4. So these are called summation of series. So trigonometric series. So what is your main aim? Your main aim is to find Tn. For the problem number 1, Tn is given. This is our Tn. Problem number 2, Tn is not given. Problem number 3, Tn is given. So you consider problem number 2, B. So look, Tn means nth term. Look, tan inverse, this one is unchanged. For each term 1 1 1, numerator is 1, and for denominator this is 2 2 2, 2 is fixed. This is 1 square, 2 square, third term 3 square, so this is 2n square. 2 into n square. So this is our Tn. You may verify it. Suppose n equals to 3. What you are getting? T3. 2 into 3 square. So our main aim is to find Tn. So this is Tn. Now our main aim will be to express it as a difference of two tan inverse in AP series or GP series. This is our main aim. Try to write it as a difference of two terms. Now look, tan inverse, you can write it 2 by 4n square. Why we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 2? This will be clear from next step. Look, you can write it in this form, 2 by 1 plus 4n square minus 1. Why we are taking this as 1? Because formula is tan inverse x plus y, 1 plus xy. Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. It will be always 1. So tan inverse 2 by 1 plus 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. So that is why it is to factorize 4n square. So it is 2n at the beginning, so you get root over. So to avoid root over, we are multiplying this. Now this step is, you look, I have already discussed it. This is x plus y, so 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 by 1 plus 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1. You look, meaning is same or not? 2n 2n cancel, 1 1 2. So this is our main aim. This is tan inverse 2n plus 1 minus tan inverse 2n minus 1. For each problem This will be our main aim. Express it as a difference of two terms. So this is Tn. Now it is up to infinite series. So write putting n equals to 1, 2, 3 n. So what is this is our Tn. So what is T1? Tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 1. This is T1. What is T2? Tan inverse 5 minus tan inverse 3. T3 tan inverse 7 minus tan inverse 5 Tn tan inverse 2n plus 1 minus tan inverse 2n minus 1. Now we are finding first sum up to n terms, Sn, T1, T2, Tn. This is Sn. So look, these diagonal terms will be cancelled out. This. There is a term. So we are getting only two terms. So tan inverse 2n plus 1 minus tan inverse 1. So this is Sn. This is Sn. Now you have to calculate S infinity, sum up to infinity. So n is replaced by infinity. So S infinity equals to tan inverse infinity minus infinity into something is infinity minus tan inverse 1. Now this is tan inverse tan pi by 2. This is pi by 2. This is pi by 4. So final result is pi by 4. Final result is pi by 4. So main step is to express Tn as a difference of two terms. Similarly, these are all similar like problem. So suppose you complete it. So I am writing the problem now. First one step only. Look, for this problem, here Tr is given. What is Tr? Tan inverse 1 plus r square. This is Tr. So what is your main aim? To write one separate. So r common, r plus 1. So you can write 1 as r plus 1 minus this. So what you are getting? Tan inverse r plus 1 minus tan inverse r. So this is Tr. You complete it. Similarly, taking sum up to n term, you get the result. Next, type of problem, solve. Solution of problem involving inverse circular function. So right, solve. First we solve two basic problems. So number 1. Two tan inverse cos x equals to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Solve x. Number 2, tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals to 3 pi by 4. Number 3, tan inverse 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus half tan inverse x equals to 3 pi by 4. Two tan inverse x equals to sine inverse 2a by 1 plus a square sine inverse 2b by 1 plus b square. These are basic problems. First, we will consider this basics problem. So, very simple problem. One problem is sufficient. Suppose problem number 3. Problem number 3. So, tan inverse 1 plus x, 1 minus x, half tan inverse x equals to 3 pi by 4. Now look, if you use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, then this is half and x is not simple, it will be complicated. So what is our step? For previous problem, you can write it as a difference of 2 times. So tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse x. Difference na sum. So if you compact this one, so this equals to half tan inverse x unchanged. This is 3 pi by 4. Look at the step. So look, tan inverse x here is half. So you cannot use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. But this one, it can be written as sum of 2 tan. This is compact form, this is expanded form. So what you are getting? Look, this is pi by 4. This is 3 by 2 tan inverse x equals to 3 pi by 4. So 3 by 2 tan inverse x equals to 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4 equals to what? Pi by 2. 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 4 equals to pi by 2. So what is tan inverse x? Tan inverse x equals to 2 pi by 2 to cancel, pi by 3. So x equals to tan pi by 3 equals to root 3. So 4, so 2 pi by 4, so pi by 2, so 2 to cancel, this is pi by 3, x equals to this. So other problems are very simple, you solve it. Now there are some special problems, typical problems. So write solve. find positive integral value of x and y, positive integral value of x and y, which satisfies tan inverse x plus cos inverse y by root under 1 plus y square equals to sin inverse 3 by root 10. So look at the problem. You may see it in many competitive examination. So look, this is our given equations. Here inverse circular functions are given in different form. One is tan inverse, this is cos inverse, this is sin inverse. So our main aim will be to express it in terms of same inverse circular functions. So you can transfer it in terms of sin, in terms of cos, in terms of tan also. But you know, formula of tan inverse is simple. So we try to express it in terms of tan inverse. Now look, we want to convert sin inverse in terms of tan. So if it is a, this is 3, this is root 10. This is root 10. So hypotenuse, this is perpendicular. So this one is x square plus 3 square. This is 1. This is, and for this one, cos, suppose this is b, base by hypotenuse. So this is also 1. This is also 1. So write tan inverse x as it is. This one is tan inverse 1 by y. Look, cos inverse. So you want to transfer it in terms of tan inverse. Perpendicular by base. And what is the last one? Tan inverse 3 by 1. So tan inverse 3. So this is our main aim. Express it in terms of same trigonometric ratio. Now use formula tan inverse 1 by y equals to tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse x. So tan inverse 1 by y, tan inverse 3 minus x, 1 plus 3x. 1 plus 3x. So tan inverse cancel. Therefore 1 by y equals to 3 minus x by 1 plus 3x. So finally what we are getting, y equals to 1 plus 3x by 3 minus x. This is 1 by y. So what is y? This is our y. Now look at the language. Find positive integral value of x and y. Look. Look, x, y. So if value of x is 3, this is undefined. If value of x is 4, then denominator is negative, numerator is positive. So finally it is negative. So we cannot take x equals to 3, 4 or greater than 4. So suppose x equals to 1. So what is y? 4 by 2, this is 2. X equals to 2. X equals to 2, this is 7, and this is x equals to 2, 7 by, this is 1. X equals to 2, 7 by 1, this is 7. And x equals to 3 is not permissible. X equals to 4, you get negative. So what are the solutions? Solutions, two set of solution, 1 2 and 2 7. So this one is typical problem. Next, solve tan inverse x square plus x root over plus sin inverse x square plus x plus 1 root over equals to pi by 2. So you can solve it by different method. Look, this is tan inverse. If we transfer any term to right hand side, if we transfer tan inverse to right hand side, we get pi by 2 minus tan inverse. So you get cot inverse. So converting sin inverse to cot inverse and equating to get one solutions. So right, this implies sin inverse x square plus x plus 1 equals to pi by 2 minus tan inverse x square plus x equals to cot inverse root over x square plus x. Pi by 2 minus theta. Now our main aim will be to express it in terms of sin inverse. So look at the figure. Cot theta, base. What is base? Root over x square plus x. This is 1. So hypotenuse is this one. So in terms of sin inverse, perpendicular by hypotenuse, x square plus x plus 1. So both side is in terms of sin inverse. So what is the next step? Therefore, root over x square plus x plus 1 equals to 1 by root over x square plus x plus 1 equals to 1. X into x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 0 comma minus 1. So look, very simple. You transfer one term to right hand side, we are getting advantage due to presence of pi by 2. Next, alternative. Look, we can solve this problem. with the idea of domain. So look, argument, this one, sine inverse. This argument, it is root. So you know root over negative is not defined. So what you are getting here, x square plus x greater than equals to 0. Because root over this, if it is negative, this is undefined. So tan inverse, this is defined when tan inverse root over x square plus x is defined if this. So x square plus x plus 1. Also, argument of this is positive. Not only positive, but argument of sine lies between -1 to +1. Also, x square plus x plus 1 at a lesser than equals to 1. Because you look, this is our theory, sine inverse x, it lies between -1 to +1. Hello, what we are getting? Because sine inverse x lesser than equals to 1. This argument lesser than equals to 1. So root over this lesser than equals to 1. X square plus x plus 1 lesser than. So x square plus x lesser than equals to 0. This is 2 and this is 1. So it is greater than equals to 0. It is less than equals to 0. So what is the common condition? Therefore from 1 and 2, x square plus x equals to 0. So x into x plus 1, 0. So x equals to 0, -1. Look again. Tan inverse, this root must be greater than equals to 0 because negative root is imaginary. Here also x square plus x plus 1 greater than equals to 0. But greater than 0, and there is also another alternative, sine inverse x, its value must be less than 1. So squaring, so 1 cancel, from 1 and 2 you compare and you get solution. So this comes from domain of inverse circular functions. Now write, solve. Tan inverse 1 minus x, 1 plus x, half sine inverse x by 1 plus x square. Number 2, sine inverse x, sine inverse 1 minus x, cos inverse x. 3, sine inverse x, sine inverse 2x equals to 5 by 3. 3 cot inverse 1 by 2 minus root 3 plus cot inverse x equals to 5 by 2. So look, we have already solved problem number 1 because it is tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x, and you can transfer it in terms of tan inverse x. This is very simple, so you try and solve. So problem number 1. Now problem number 2, 3 and 4. So suppose problem number 4. Look, this is a typical problem. You look, you know formula of 3 cot inverse x, 3 tan inverse x. So formula is 3x minus x cube in terms of tan inverse by 1 minus 3x cube. So if you take cube of this argument, it will be difficult. So that is why we try to use alternative. Now this one is well known value of cot. So look, cot 15 degree equals to cot 45 minus 30. So you find the value. It is cot A cot B plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. So put the value cot 30 root 3 plus 1. This is root 30. Now in general, we rationalize the denominator. But here, also we rationalize denominator. So this is 3 minus 1 root 3 plus 1 whole square. So 3 plus 1 2 root 3 by 2. So what you are getting? 2 plus root 3. Value of cot 15. So you can write it also as 1 by this. So look, 3 cot inverse 1 by 2 minus root 3. So cot inverse, this equals to cot 15. So cot inverse cot 15 is absorbed. This is 15 degree. So this is actually 45 degree. So now you proceed. So we have already proved this one is what? 3 cot inverse cot 15 degree plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. So this is pi by 4. In radian, cot and cot inverse absorbed. So this is pi by 4 plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. So cot inverse x equals to pi by 4. So what is x? Cot pi by 4 equals to 1. So look, this one you try to recall the value cot inverse. So cot 15 1 by 2 minus root 3. Similar like problem here, 3 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus root 3. Then you put the value. Now problem number 1. So we consider problem number 1, last problem. You consider the rest one. So look, if we use formula of sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, this will be lengthy. You know, in solving problem, you have to use simple techniques if possible. So you put a transformation. So look, let cos inverse x equals to theta. You can put also sin inverse x also theta, no harm. So what is sin inverse x? Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x plus sin inverse 1 minus x equals to cos inverse x. So pi by 2 minus theta plus sin inverse 1 minus. So what is x? X equals to cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta equals to theta. So what you are getting, you look. Sin inverse 1 minus cos theta equals to 2 theta minus pi by 2. So 1 minus cos theta equals to sine 2 theta minus pi by 2. So minus sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So what we are getting? Minus cos 2 theta. Now this is very simple. 1 minus cos theta minus cos 2 theta. So try to use same trigonometric ratio. So 1 minus cos theta equals to minus, as it is, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Transfer all term to right hand side, to left hand side. So 2 cos square theta, so 1 cancel, 0. So 2 cos theta common, 2 cos theta, 1 minute. So what is cos theta? Cos theta equals to 0 or cos theta equals to half. So x equals to 0 or x equals to half. So you may verify the solution putting value of x equals to 0, x equals to half. X cos theta equals to 0. So what is your transformation? Cos theta equals to x. So this is solution is x equals to 0, x equals to half. Then you try to solve the rest of the problems. Thank you.